to the squash. I just got it out. Look, it's cracked open. How did it happen? I just cut it off the branch. Did somebody eat it already? What is this stuff? What is this white stuff? Okay, just put it here. The rest looks